Hello and welcome to yet another video of Probench How To series. In this video, I'm going to cover how, as a user, you can add attachments and evidences to the system so that you can upload your files, you can upload your URLs, etc. So I'll demonstrate how each of uh, the evidences can be added to the system. So yeah, so just for the demo purpose, these are few of the attachment questions that we have in place. So if suppose I want to add an attachment or an evidence, I'll click on the evidence box here and I'll see there are three areas in the attachment box. First is like it would show you the list of already uploaded evidences here. So once I add, it would show me the list of evidence here. The second is I can search from an existing evidence. Like if I want to use the same evidence for multiple questions, then I can use the search evidence functionality here. Uh, and then like I can also like browse all the evidence. If you don't know the name of the file or something using which you can search, then you can also use browse all files. Then it would give the list of all the files that you have uploaded to the system. uh, and all this like taking into consideration that it is done only for this survey, so it would not get you the files for some other company, or it would not get you the files from some other survey. It would only get you the files for this particular questionnaire and only for this particular company. Okay. And then there is a main area which is called as which is used to have or upload your evidences. So you can upload the URLs directly, the web URLs. You can directly upload, and you can also upload files. So the files must be about 5 MB, but if you have a bigger file, then you'll have to contact us to change the configuration, and then after that you will be able to upload a bigger file. Uh, and then there is a file name that is needed, because whenever you upload a URL that does not have a file name, then it's a good identifier for the analyst or the users, like having a file name. Description box is used to have information about page size, uh, or like uh, what would describe that particular page or evidence, and what would or in case you want to upload the same evidences multiple times, but each question would have or answer to each question would be on different pages, then you can also mention page numbers here. So this is how you would be able to use this box. And then the file attributes, so it is like based on uh, like what additional information that is required from you, you would see that particular fields from there. So yeah, just yeah. So to start with, let me select one of the URLs. So I have a pre-selected URL that I would demonstrate how to upload. So I've just uh, pasted it in the URL box, and I'll give the name. So here the name is like uh, sustainability. Or let me give it as about sustainability. That's the name of the file. And then uh, let me give the test description page 2. Or as this is a URL, there is no page, so let's not give the page. And then whatever I want to choose on which date, or what is the publication date, etc., then I can choose one of the dates and whatever information, and then I'll click on upload. So it will show you 100% uploaded, please wait. So as soon as the file is uploaded, it would be displayed on the top of the screen, and all the information that you have added, the URL that you used, uh, the the description that you provided, that is a test description, and which question you have linked this particular file to. And also because it was a URL, it would have been converted to a PDF file. So the whole URL or the web page was converted into this PDF file with multiple pages. So this is the advantage of the whole URL to PDF functionality. So this basically system automatically does it so that in future if the evidence changes, you still have the URL, or still have the PDF evidence for what you are collecting. So that's what is the whole advantage of this, and you are getting all the information here. If you want to edit the description, you can click on edit. It would allow you to change the description to uh, test description for sustainability, and you see the date is also here, and I'll click on save. So once I save, if I again watch here, the description has changed, and the choose date that I have selected, that date is also here. So all this is for that purpose. So I can similarly also choose one of the files, and say, let me check if I can find a file. Let me just select one of the feature files. So similarly, it would automatically take the name of the files and put it here. And then I can do the similar thing. And now because it's a file, I can maybe also attach a page number and click on upload. Okay, so both the files are now here. So you'll see the details here as well, the page number, the choose date that I have given. So yeah, now suppose I want to use the same file in some other question, then I'll go to that question. Okay, and currently it's blank. I have not uploaded anything for this particular question. So what I'll do is I'll click on browse all. So when I do browse all, I saw both the files here. Uh, now I'll select which file I want to reuse for another question. So I'll click, I want to reuse the about sustainability. So I'll click here. So it would add on the top, and it would add with the same means the description should be changed, but rest of the information was automatically transferred. So I'll go and select test description to, sorry, not here. uh, So now if I go, I'll get a different description. So similarly, you can keep on reusing the existing files for other questions. So you don't have to upload it again and again and upload the same URL again and again. Okay. So this is the advantage of this. And I'll also, like, if I do the search of evidence, then it would give me, sorry, features, not evidence, features. So it would give this feature file here as well. But if I go and search for sustainability, it would not show me the file because it is already uploaded here. So all those checks and validations are already there in place. And if I want to remove the file, I can click on remove and it would be removed from. And now if I search for sustainability, it would show me the sustainability file, which I can again upload. Okay. So this is how you can also search from the list, or if you have like more than 10-15 files which are not there on the same screen, you can search for the file from here as well. So hopefully this was a useful video. And yeah, one more recently added feature is the same list that you see inside on the top can also be displayed on the page. So this is a kind of a toggle feature. So if you want it to be displayed on the page, you can opt to do that. If you don't want, you can kind of disable that feature. So that is on the clients. Yeah. So yeah, so this is how you would be able to use the attachment functionality. So hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you so much for uh, uh, looking at this video. And if you have any further questions, please do email us at support@73bit.com, and happy to answer or create such videos for your FAQs. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.